Hi, Tim McAllister, Director of Business Development for Mocana Corporation. So we're one of Infinion's ISPN partners, their security partner program, and we today are showing a solution where we're securing, leveraging the Infinion TPM 2.0 on an embedded device. In this case, it's the Rasberry Pi. Right here, you see the Infinion 2.0 daughter card. So Mocana, what we do is embedded security for industrial controls, automotive, any mission or life critical applications, including industrial automation. So what we've seen is that the industrial automation has not implemented security, right? It's a new thing to industrial protocols. So we've been working with the top industrial OEMs such as Schneider Electric, Emerson, ABB, to help them implement strong cybersecurity, leveraging hardware roots of trust like a TPM, in this case Infinion's TPM 2.0, to implement Industry 4.0 IEC 62443 levels of security on these embedded controls, connected controls, and connected systems, this next generation, right? There's a number of interesting things that we're demonstrating here. I don't know if you can zoom in to this display or how well that's going to show up, but we are offering a new trust center offering. So it's security, lifecycle, automation, and management, right? So one of the critical elements is how do you manage the digital certificates that are tied to the public-private key of these embedded devices. How do you manage that at scale? How do you do it in a zero-touch fashion? So Mocana's Trust Center is a hybrid cloud data center offering a set of services that can be operated by the OEMs or their end customers to manage the security domain of the embedded headless endpoints. Right? So we can do that at scale. We can do zero-touch device provisioning and onboarding. We also have a way through Trust Center to do multi-factor authenticated updates, right? So multi-factor, we have multiple signatories being incorporated and aggregated into an encrypted payload that protects that update on that endpoint. That's one of the key areas that hackers has been able to compromise systems, is by updating the firmware. So we have a procedure that is enabling this trust security, this trust center system to implement that multi-factor for these embedded systems. And here's the Infinion Optiga Trust TPM, right? And this is the TPM 2.0 that we're showing here in this Raspberry Pi hardened demo. So it's a way to have access to a mutable hardware root of trust, and we're tying digital identities to the specific device's hardware root of trust. So its security is beyond just identity, right, in the traditional enterprise sense. And we enable that capability. Industry 4.0 in general, one of the key attributes is the focus on cybersecurity, right? Because it's well known, there's a number of safety critical, mission critical systems that are in operation, that are getting placed in this next generation of Industry 4.0 automation. So we are working with the tenants of Industry 4.0. There's actually an IEC, Industrial Internet Consortium. It follows along in tandem with the Industry 4.0, and we've been working at the security working group to develop a set of best practices for cybersecurity that incorporates and summarizes what has been put forth in Industry 4.0 as well as IEC 62443. And there's a 13-page public white paper document that's available at the Industrial Internet Consortium, and it's .org. That's available for free, that summarizes in 13 pages in a PDF, a digital document, what functions, what capabilities you need to address, security levels 2, 3, and 4 that are addressed in Industry 4.0 as well as IEC 62443.